Okay, you're right. Welcome to your video tutorial on looking at calculating speed of vehicles or of cars or of people as a form of a rate. Okay, we're going to be introduced to three concepts today. They are speed, distance, and time, and we're going to work out this amazing triangle that we can use and just modify for whichever value we're trying to calculate: speed, distance, or time. Okay, let's begin. A rate that we come across almost every day is speed. Speed is the rate of distance travelled per unit of time. Okay, so speed is the rate of distance travelled per time. There's three key things: speed, distance, and time. Okay, and we're going to use this Illuminati looking triangle over here, okay, in order to assist us in calculating each of these three different elements. So today you might be asked to use information to calculate how much time something would take. You might be able to be asked to use the speed and time to work out the distance of something, or you might be asked to calculate the speed. So there's three things that you could be asked, and we're going to use this guy over here in order to solve them. Find the distance travelled by a truck travelling for 15 hours at an average speed of 95 kilometres an hour. Here's where our triangle comes in. We're trying to calculate distance, okay? We're trying to calculate distance, and we've got distance up the top, and then speed, and then time. The way we calculate distance is distance equals speed times time, okay? Even if you didn't know that, you could look at it, well, 95 kilometres an hour, 15 hours. It's just the speed, which is 95 kilometres an hour, times the distance, the time that it took. How many hours did you travel for? Well, you travelled for 15 hours, so times 15. And if I plug 95 times 15 into my calculator, the distance the truck travelled, 1425 kilometres. Pretty straightforward. This one here, find the time taken for a hiker walking at 4 kilometres an hour to travel 15. Instead of guessing, instead of going, well, 4, he'd travelled 8 kilometres in 2 hours, 12 kilometres in 3, we can do it an easier way. This time we're trying to find the time. There's the distance on the top, and then a line, and then speed down the bottom. The way we calculate time equals distance over speed. Okay, so the time it took him, the distance, is 15 kilometres. He's going 4 kilometres an hour. How long is it going to take? Well, if he's going needs to travel 15 kilometres an hour, and he's doing 4 in an hour, it's going to take him, and it comes out on my calculator as 3.75. That's a decimal. 3 3/4, 0.75 is 3/4, so 3 hours and 45 minutes, because 45 minutes is 3/4 of an hour. 3 hours and 45 minutes. If you give me your answer like this, I'll be happy with that. I'll take it. If you understand how to get to that step, that's even better. Okay, the last example. Find the average speed of a sprinter running 200 metres in 40 seconds. Okay, so this time we're looking at speed. And then I've got distance on the top, a line, and then time on the bottom. So as you could have guessed, speed equals distance over time. Okay, so the speed at which he's running is the distance, 200 metres, in 40 seconds. I'm going to be, because I got given my original measurement in seconds, my answer is going to be given in seconds. So 200 divided by 40, that means my sprinter is running 5 metres a second. Okay, now speed is a type of rate. That's why I have to write it in that way. 5 metres a second. And that's it, guys. That's using speed as a rate.